Today our aim is to study the front control panel of the DC multiple power supply. So this is a multiple power DC multiple power supply. Multiple in the sense that it is having more than one DC supply. So this is one section, section A. This is second section and this is third section. So what's the difference between these two supplies? The range of this power supply is from 0 to 30 volt. This range from 4 to 6 volt. This is showing from 4 to 6 volts. This is 0 terminal, this is plus 15 and this is minus 15. So this is dual power supply having range of plus 15, 0, minus 15. This is a power switch. When we switch on this DC multiple power supply, the supply will be available in all these sections. So let's see first section, this section. Its range is from 0 to 30 volts. So these are two knobs. This is coarse knob and fine knob. By adjusting these two knobs, we can vary the voltage anywhere between 0 to 30 volts. And this is the Imax knob. This is for fixing the current in the circuit so that the current will not exceed to that particular value. This is for safety of the circuit. Similarly, this is a section 2. Its range is from 4 to 6 volts. So there is no knob in the circuit. We use generally screwdriver. This is a screwdriver, and by using this we can change its value from 4 to 6 volts. Similarly, this is the third power supply, 0 to plus 15 volt, 0 to minus 15 volt. These two knobs are similarly just like this. This is coarse knob, this is fine knob, and this is the current limiting knob. So Imax, its range is from 20 milliampere to 1 ampere. By adjusting it, we can protect the circuit from overloading. Now, in this DC multiple power supply, although there are different power supplies, but there is only one ammeter, that's milliammeter, and one voltmeter. So the question is, this milliammeter and this voltmeter will read the value of which supply. So these are the selector switches. So depending upon the power supply, suppose this is your first power supply, I can push this button. Now this voltmeter and this ammeter will show the reading of this circuit. If I press 5 volts, it will show the reading of this circuit. And if I press plus 50 volts, it will show the voltmeter and ammeter reading of this circuit. And if I press minus 50 volts, it will show the reading of this circuit. So this is minus 15, 0 volt. Imax, we can adjust the value of Imax here in the circuit. Same, its range is from 20 milliampere to 1 ampere. We can adjust this value by using screwdriver. Similarly, these are the points. So how we can cross check this value? Initially we had studied the multimeter, so we can see how we can measure the value of this DC power supply by using multimeter. So this is a multimeter. First it is in off position. Now we will keep it on. So this is the voltmeter range. So it is in auto mode, DC. It is ready for measuring DC voltage. Now it is in showing some error of millivolts. These are the two test probes. This is a positive lead and this is a negative lead. We can put these two leads here. So we are using 0 to 30 volt range. We have to select this point. So voltmeter showing 6.0 volts, multimeter showing 6.1 volt. It is approximately constant. So as I am varying the voltage on the voltmeter is, it is showing 9.8 volt and this is showing 10.06. It is approximately constant, 9.9, 10.0. So this is how we can check the voltage by using multimeter simultaneously. So this is all about this class. Thank you.